Hi everybody, my name is Ricky Cox, owner of Forthright Plumbing, master plumber in Tampa, Florida. Me and Jesse are on a job where we're cleaning out a cast iron sewer system, a drainage system under the slab. You can see right here that they've got PVC outside, but everything inside is cast iron. Now I want to show you what we've been doing. Jesse, can you get your camera a little closer? I want to show them what I'm pulling all that out. That's all the cast iron flakes that are sitting inside of the sewer system. We're cleaning the walls of the pipe so that we can prevent future blockages. That's just one pass of my machine. Imagine how clean everything is gonna look when I'm done. So we're gonna run a couple of passes with our hydro jetter. I've got a chain knocker machine as well that can get any of the bigger burrs off. And then we do one final pass with the hydro jetter, test everything, make sure it's running good. And in many cases, if your cast iron's in decent shape, we can save it as opposed to having replacing it. So if that's something you're interested in, give us a call. Forthright Plumbing, www.forthrightplumbing.com, or call 813-403-0732, 813-300-2225. Either of those numbers, we'll pick up and we'll take care of you. Thanks so much.